रियासत तेलंगाना एक और कदम आगे बढ़ चुकी है। जी हां, आवाम के लिए हुकूमत ने फ्री वाईफाई सर्विस का आगाज कर दिया, जिसका इफ्तिताह रियासती वजीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी व पंचायत राज के.टी. रामाराव के हाथों इसका इफ्तिताह अमल में आया। रियासती वजीर ने मरकजी वजीर से ऑनलाइन बातचीत करते हुए इसका इफ्तिताह किया।
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Mr. Rao, how are you?
Very, very good, sir. एक सेकंड audio. Sir, now you are talking to me through the Wi-Fi enabled city of Hyderabad, sir. Not fully enabled yet, but nevertheless, a pilot project which has been launched. So once again, thank you so much for joining us. I'd like you to address us, say a few words, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you so much once again for giving your valuable time. And I'd like to request you to address the gathering here.
Mr. Rao, congratulations to you, the entire team, the BSNL officers, the CMD, Mr. Gupta, present here, the Special Secretary, Rita Devatia, Annie Morris, Member Telecom Commission Finance, Arno Sundarajan, all the distinguished officers of my department present here, and those present there. This is the power of technology. You see, I am sitting in Delhi, you are sitting in Hyderabad, and we are talking to each other through the power of Wi-Fi. That's the power of technology. It brings in connectivity. I am indeed very happy that BSNL has taken the initiative to install Wi-Fi in more than 2,500 places in the country. Today, the beginning of Wi-Fi installation in Hyderabad. I would like you to take further initiative to expand it further so that, true to its tradition of being an important IT city of India, Hyderabad takes further lead in the Wi-Fi revolution of India. My warm greetings, warm congratulations. Let's keep it up.
The iceberg, but for sure in days to come, the entire city will be Wi-Fi enabled, and I once again congratulate and appreciate the sort of wonderful effort that BSNL and Quadgen have put. Thank you very much.